Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and more. And today's question is around what elements should be included in a business plan. Before I cover those elements, probably I will cover 11 of those. The best business plan is to put your basic things in place and start executing it. That is the best plan, I would say. But still, you can have all these 11 elements in back of your mind so that whenever you need to take any relevant action you can actually use those. But best business plan is to just execute your idea. That's I'm sharing from my experience. Now in a any traditional business plan you will cover some basic elements. I'll cover those, starting with executive summary, which describes your goals, product product and services, overall overview of business, financial forecast, how it will be run, and things like that. That is probably the summary of the entire plan. And if you have that in mind, let's go for it. The next element is business description. Basically, it covers your structure, operations, what you're trying to achieve. Uh, you can include financial goal, but you can cover those separately as well. But that should be the second element. The third element is market analysis. Whatever product or services you are trying to sell, in which market, what demographics, which season, if it is seasonal, what kind of uh, investments, all those things has to be done in your market analysis. One precaution is that you should not go very deep and keep doing so much analysis that it become like a analysis paralysis and you are not able to take decision. The best practice is if you have 80% of the answers which you are looking for in your market analysis, you should go ahead. The next element is legal and what you call structural requirement. So let's say if you are selling general commodities, you don't need many requirements from legal perspective. But if you want to start something, let's say drug manufacturing or even simple food import or something like that, then the requirements are totally different what you might be looking for in a general mercantile kind of scenario. Also you have to look for what kind of economic zones available wherever you are going to do business, whether you have any special zone which you can take care of so that you can have more profit, like a tax break or something like that, or you might have proximity to suppliers. So those are some of the parameters. Then comes the products and services. So what you are planning to sell, when you are planning to sell, whether you have beta product or you have a final product and things like that. So if you are in software, you don't have to wait too long. You can go with the beta, start testing with customers, get customers and keep going from there. But if you are services based business, then you have to figure out what are the domain or technology or maybe any field you are trying to address. That should be described in your business plan. Then comes the operational plan. I will also cover sales and marketing plan. So how you are going to sell, how you are going to market, how you are going to advertise, all those will come into sales and marketing plan. How you are going to execute your business. So fulfillment, delivery, in case of product, it might be return and things like that, customer service, all those should be covered in your operational plan. You should also cover your management and team structure. So if you are a services company, then you will be very heavy on resources and people. So you should have definitely strong HR processes and things like that. If you are a product based company, you should have a stronger supply chain. So it depends upon which will be your primary function for your business, and based upon that you should decide on your management and team structure. The next one is your funding and investment needs. That should also be covered in business plan, whether you have enough fund to run it, or if you want to have investment very early on, if you have any plan to go for initial IPO and things like that. It all depends upon what is the stage you are in, but you should cover in your business plan. The next one is risk analysis and mitigation. What are the risks involved in your business? In case of, for example, import export, you will have geopolitical, you will have supply chain, you have local countries where you are importing or exporting, their situations. All those things matter. In case of services and consulting business, you have to see what areas you are serving, whether you have resources available in those areas, how hard to it to be retained those people. If you are into very regulated industry, then what regulation might impact you? All those are risks which you have to analyze and cover in your business plan. And the last one is, what is your exit strategy if you have? If you want to run your business forever, that it's that's perfectly fine. But let's say you want to go IPO, or you want to sell it, or whatever you want to do, that should be also clear in your business plan, because then it gives you a lot of clarity to you what you will be doing to scale your business. So yeah, these are the points. But again, if you have an idea, put basic things in place and execute it. That's what I will recommend. And please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any other question. Thanks. Take care.